How to change language in YouTube. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the YouTube application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your YouTube account. Now once you're on your home page, navigate to your profile icon that says You from the bottom right corner. That's gonna take you to this page. From here, navigate to top right corner and tap on the gear icon. Now, under the settings, tap on General. Now again under General, there you'll have an option as App Language just below Appearance. Tap on App Language. Now, from this drop-down box, you can change the language. If you scroll down, there you'll have multiple choice for language and select the one according to your preference. For example, I want to take it to Chinese. Tap on Chinese. After that, tap on Change. And with that, the language is now changed on YouTube. So that's how you change language on YouTube, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.